2023 KTM SX E3 first look downsizes to bring children into following the success of its SX E5 motocross motorcycle for kids. KTM is releasing a smaller version. The 2023 KTM SX E3 downsizes to bring children into the electric motorcycle world at an even younger age, acting as a bridge between SX E5 and its two battery-powered balance bicycles, the 12 eDrive and 16 eDrive. The 2023 KTM SX E3 uses the same frame and suspension as the SX E5, so the lower seat height is achieved by fitting smaller 10-inch wheels to the SX E3. The 3's aluminum wheels are shod with Maxxis MX street tires. Like its bigger brother, the 3 has a broad range of ergonomic adjustments, allowing for a seat as low as 21.8 inches above the dirt, nearly 2 inches lower than the 5. You get the 3 there by mounting the bodywork seat combo in its lowest position, moving the top rear shock mount to the low position, and dropping the triple clamp on the fork. In the standard configuration, the SX E3's seat height is 23.6 inches. WP takes care of suspension duties, with a generous 5.7 inches of wheel travel from the X-Act fork, and the non-linkage shock handling 5.2 inches of travel. Although the SX E5 and 2023 KTM SX E3 share the same permanent magnet motor, the 3's output is limited to 3.8 kilowatts, 25% lower than the 5. The capacity of the 3's 60-cell battery is 548 watt-hours, about 80% of the 5. According to KTM, the 3's battery is good for 2 hours of riding. Juicing up the battery is achieved by plugging the 900-watt external charger into a 110 or 230-volt outlet. Recharging the battery can take as little as 70 minutes. For safety, the motor is stopped automatically in 2 ways. A tip-over sensor shuts things down, or the wrist lanyard worn by the rider is separated from the handlebar socket. 3 power modes allow the adult in charge to limit the power output, or just let the kid send it. Hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels slow things down. We don't have a price for the 2023 KTM SX E3, but we can tell you that it's available in orange, and will arrive in dealers in October, just in time for Christmas.